Welcome to Starlight Entertainment, where stars are born.
Let's see what act they will perform.
Stay close, children. This is a professional entertainment company, so we must follow the rules.
Your mother is right. Many people are working here today.
Mom, are we really allowed to go inside?
Yes. We received these special tour passes during our visit to the Korean palace yesterday.
Maybe we'll see a real K-pop idol. Everyone looks so busy.
A company like this needs many different departments to support its artists.
No way! She's a real idol.
Hello. You must be Joy, Julie, Sophia, and John.
A real idol is going to show us around?
That's right. I trained in this building for 6 years before my group debuted, so I know almost every practice room and hallway.
6 years? Did you train every day?
Almost every day. I studied singing, dancing, acting, languages, stage performance, teamwork, and even how to speak during interviews.
That sounds like a very demanding schedule.
It is. People usually see us performing under beautiful lights, but they don't see all the work behind the stage. You will tour the entire company, experience some of our training activities, and prepare a short performance.
I'm ready. I'll become the coolest idol here.
These awards belong to many different artists from our company. Some were won for music, some for dancing, and others for acting or international performances. That was my group's first music show award. We had practiced for years, but we still couldn't believe it when our name was announced.
Did you cry?
All 5 members cried. Our makeup artists weren't very happy about that. This is our music production department. Composers, producers, sound engineers, and artists work together here to create songs.
It looks like the control room of a spaceship.
It can feel that way. Every instrument and voice is recorded separately, then mixed together.
Can we try recording something?
Of course! Before idols record a song, they warm up their voices. Place one hand on your stomach. Breathe in slowly through your nose, then release the air carefully. Not quite. Don't push the air too hard. Good singing begins with controlled breathing.
Your voice sounds just like it does in your songs. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Sol! Singing is harder than it sounds.
Idols often sing while performing difficult choreography, so we practice vocal stability and physical endurance together. This floor is the heart of our trainee program. Some trainees practice here from early morning until late evening.
5, 6, 7, 8. Stronger arms. Keep the line straight. Again.
They've done the same part 4 times.
Sometimes we repeat one movement 50 times to make sure every member moves at exactly the same moment.
50 times? I could learn it after 3 tries.
We'll test that soon.
Are you going to teach us?
Idols often help younger trainees, and I prepared a short routine for both of you. First, we practice slowly without music.
I think I've got it.
Creativity is good, but group choreography requires everyone to follow the same pattern. Good beginning. We'll continue training later. Now I want to show you another part of an idol's job. This department plans the visual concepts for songs, music videos, concerts, and photo shoots.
This room is huge.
The styling team prepares artists before performances, music videos, interviews, and photo shoots.
So appearance and performance must be planned together.
Exactly. Nothing should interfere with the choreography or distract the artist on stage. We'll also help Joy and Julie prepare for their final performance later today.
We're really going to perform?
Yes, but only after you complete your training.
The lights are so bright.
Idols must learn to keep their eyes open and maintain their expressions even during repeated camera flashes.
Julie, you can go first.
Here's my heart pose.
Beautiful. Turn your shoulders slightly. Chin down. Look toward the light.
Like this?
Perfect.
You look like you forgot where you left your shoes.
This is my cool expression.
Before a performance, many teams work together. The sound crew checks every microphone, the lighting crew follows the music cues.
Lighting cue 3. Test the center spotlight. Music from the second chorus.
It looks magical.
The magic only works because everyone follows the plan. Now we will prepare your final performance. Remember the steps you learned earlier.
Joy, you went the wrong way. You moved too close to me.
Stop. Blaming each other won't fix the choreography. Look at your starting marks and communicate. Joy begins on the blue mark. Julie begins on the pink mark. Watch each other through the mirror.
Good. Now we'll increase the speed.
Let's practice one section at a time.
5, 6, 7, 8. Step, turn, wave, and pose.
Your rehearsal is complete. It's time to prepare for your first K-pop stage.
I look like a real K-pop idol.
I look like the leader of our group.
A leader isn't chosen only because of age.
You both look amazing.
Remember that your appearance is only one part of the performance.
We know, Dad. We have to work together.
Everyone, thank you for joining us.
Today, 2 special one-day trainees toured our company and experienced the hard work behind K-pop. Please welcome the new sibling duo, Joy and Julie.
Ready, big brother?
Ready. Let's shine together.
시선 집중 스테이지 위는 우리 구역
완벽한 호흡, 우린 운명의 데스티니.
온몸으로 느껴지는 짜릿한 에너지
우린 빛나, 플래시. 우주를 물들여. 심장이 터질 듯한 이 순간. 너와 나, 하이파이브. 최고의 스텝. SYNC. 우린 빛나. SYNNC.
This was the greatest family tour ever! Becoming an idol is much harder than I imagined, but I want to keep practicing.